Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Now I want to explain something in this toolbar. I'll be explaining some tools that are attached to it which is necessary while doing your work. Now in the first menu here we have the file. When you come to this file, this is where you see the new. When you want to start a new document, you can click on new. The control key is already there. That's Control N to start a new document, and we have new document from template. If you have a template, you can start a new document from template. Then we have open. Here you use this button to open already existing work in your system. And we have recent works. Open recent. Open recent is recently edited works in your CorelDRAW. You find them here. So if you wish to open any of them, you can click on this. You can choose from here. We have close. You have close all documents. Here we can see save. You can save your work from here, and we have also save as. We have save as template, and we have acquire image. Acquire image works with printer. When you have a printer, you can use acquire image and scan an image through your printer into CorelDRAW. And here we have the import and export buttons. If you want to export or import an image, if you want to import an image, you can use this import button. Click it, and it will open this window. To open the window of your file explorer, where you select the image you want. And okay, let's see. Import an image. This is how to import an image. You have this window after clicking on the import, and let me navigate to my image folder. You navigate to image folder on your computer, and this is an image folder I have here. I select my logo and I click import. Now I click anywhere for it to be attached. Now this is the image I have. So this is how to import an image into CorelDRAW. Now if you don't want to go with that way, you can just open your file explorer, and this is the image. You can just drag it and put it here. This is it, and this is the one I imported through file menu here. So now the export, just like we did, if you click on the export, this is what you have, and you name your file. If you have not already saved it with a name before, you name the image, the file name, and you can select. If you have multiple objects, you can choose to, like here now you can see this is selected, while I have other objects, but this is selected. So when I click this button, when I take this check mark here, it will only export this. But if I remove this, it will export everything I have here. It will export everything I have here. Now when I click on export. I'll have this window now. Look at it. This is what I have in my workspace, and it has gathered all of them together to export. Now, when you want to export this, you set up this. We are exporting in JPEG, and change this color to RGB, and you can change the quality. This is the quality, it's on highest quality, and what else are you going to change? For now, nothing to change. So after changing your color mode to RGB, then you export. You click on export, and it will export the image. Now I don't want to export this image, so I am going back. Now after the export, I have export for export Docker and other buttons here. Publish to PDF, and here we have prints. If you have a printer connected to your system, you can print from here. You set up your printer. Here I don't have any printer connected to my computer, so I can only create PDF with what I have already. So there's nothing for me to print. But if I have a printer, from here I can select my printer and set up the printer the way I want it to print. After which I will apply whatever you set when you want to print. If you set anything, like I change this to 2 page and 2 copies, then you have to click apply for it to take effect before you print. So this is about how to print. So this is the file menu, and after that we have the edit menu here. In the edit menu, you find undo, redo, and repeat move. We have also bring into focus. We have cut, copy, and paste. All these are um, familiar buttons or familiar words we all know. So we have the paste special, we have delete, we have duplicate. So duplicate is done through D. If I want to duplicate this, I can just click duplicate to duplicate this, or you can press Ctrl D to duplicate what we already have. This is the edit. Then from there also we have select all. In this select all, you can see that we have object, text, and guidelines. So if I say select all text, to select all the text you have in your workspace. It will select all the text. Select text. It has selected the text we have here. So if we say um, select all objects, it will select all the objects we have in our workspace. So this is about this menu, and this is grid line. We don't have any guideline here. So if this is a guideline, and if we want to select that, you can say select guideline and delete. Okay. Um, Here we have view. this view, um, here we have whatever want to be visible in our workspace. In the interface here, you can set up the view from here. Like I have ruler. This is my ruler. This is my ruler, and from the view you can see that my ruler is checked, and I have guidelines too. So if I choose to remove this, my ruler will disappear. So for me to bring it out again, make it visible, I'll have to check it. Also, we have zoom in, zoom out buttons here. You can select zoom, and you can see that it zoomed what we have. And if I say zoom out, you see that it is zooming it. So this is our view menu, where we can find we have also the page border bleed. We have a grid, and what else is important here? Okay, we have the full screen preview. If I choose to take this, it will view our document into full screen, and to exit, I'll just click it to exit the full screen mode. So this is about the view. You can press F9. You can press F9 for you to go into the view, full screen view. Okay. In the next video, uh, I will talk about the layout and objects and other things that are in these menus. So thank you for watching this video, and remember to share it.